Concept is 9-point circle. The circle which passes through feet of the altitudes that is D comma E comma F and midpoints of the sides X comma Y comma Z and midpoints of line segment joining orthocenter to the three vertices P comma Q comma R is known as 9-point circle. The center of 9-point circle is known as 9-point center. Capital N. Let this be a triangle ABC. AD, BE, CF are altitudes. So here feet of the altitudes are D comma E comma F and the midpoints of the sides are X comma Y comma Z and midpoints of the line segment joining orthocenter to the this is orthocenter capital O. Its midpoints are this is P comma Q comma R. So here if you observe here a circle forms clearly. This is 9-point circle. Next point, the center of 9-point circle is midpoint of line segment joining orthocenter and circumcenter. Radius of the nine-point circle is equal to circumradius by 2. Next point, in a triangle ortho center is capital O. 9-point center is capital N. Centroid is capital G. Circumcenter capital S. All these points are collinear. ON is to ENG is to GS is equal to 3 is to 1 is to 2. The radius of 9-point circle of the triangle formed by vertices 4, 6, 0, 4, 6, 2 is here given vertices are capital A 4, 6, B 0, 4, C 6, 2. First let us find AB distance. This is 4 square plus 2 square, that is root 20. BC is root of 0 square plus 0 minus 6, 6 square plus 2 square, that is root 40. AC is equal to root of 2 square plus 4 square, that is again root 20. Here if you observe, AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square, implies triangle ABC is right angle, and here AB and AC sides are also equal, therefore it is right angle isosceles triangle. In a right angle, so right angle here BC is hypotenuse, circumradius capital R is equal to hypotenuse by 2, that is BC by 2. BC is root 40 by 2, that is 4 tens, this is 2 root 10 by 2, that is root 10. Now 9-point radius is 9-point radius is equal to circumradius by 2, that is root 10 by 2. Our next problem is, if origin is the orthocenter of the triangle formed by points 5 comma minus 1 minus 2 comma 3 minus 4 comma minus 7, then 9 point circle center is so let O is ortho center, G is centroid, and N is 9 point circle center. We know that N divides OG in the ratio 3:1. We already have the orthocenter. Let us find the centroid of the triangle. Here centroid G is equal to 5 minus 2 minus 4 by 3 minus 1 plus 3 minus 7 by 3. This is 5 minus 6 minus 1 by 3, 3 minus 8 minus 5 by 3. This is centroid. Now this is orthocenter 0 comma 0. This is N. N divides G. OG in the ratio 3:1. Apply the section formula. N is 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 0 by 4. 3 into minus 5 by 3 plus 0 by 4. Here 3 gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled. Therefore 9 point circle center is minus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4. Our next problem is orthocenter of the triangle is 2 comma 1 and the circumcenter is 7 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Then 9 point circle center is let N is the 9 point circle center. Here N is the midpoint of orthocenter and circumcenter. Implies coordinates of N are 2 plus 7 by 2 by 2, 1 plus 5 by 2 by 2. That is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 plus 7, 11 by 4, 2 plus 5, 7 by 4. Our next problem is, if A is minus 3 comma 0, B is 4 comma minus 1, C is 5 comma 2, or vertices of triangle ABC, then length of altitude through A is. Here given vertices, A is minus 3 comma 0, B is 4 comma minus 1, C is 5 comma 2. Here area of the triangle is of minus 3 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 4 into 2 minus 0 plus 5 into 0 plus 1 of 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8 plus 5, 17 22 by 2, that is equal to 11 is the area. ABC. Here AD is the altitude through A. Area of the triangle is equal to half into base into altitude. Half into, here base is BC, altitude is AD. That is area. Now let us find BC. BC is equal to root of 4 minus 5 square plus minus 1 minus 2 square, that is root of 1 square plus 3 square, that is root 10. Now substitute here, area is 11, 1 by 2 into BC is root 10. Now AD length we need to find. There implies AD is equal to 2 11s are 22 by root 10. Length of altitude through A is 22 by root 10. Next problem is, if the midpoints of the sides of the triangle are 1 by 2 comma 0, 0 comma 1 by 2, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, then its circumcenter is triangle ABC, DEF are the midpoints. Let D comma E comma F are midpoints of BC, CA, AB respectively.